Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to apply italic font on a text in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will make this text italic font. Click on this edit option and select the text box option and click on this text box and drag the mouse, select your text. If you did not find this format option and click this right sidebar arrow and this is italic font option, click here and also link this is font size 16 and see this italic font now apply. Also I'll apply here italic font, this is italic and remove this bold font, this italic. Also I'll italic this text and see this. In this way we can make text bold, italic, font. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.